Abusia me mo akwaba e de ba too much GH so so first time ni a obe me subscriber tem no so e de ache me ya no wakai sa wo de be no ebeka ho se ne be na upload ni to mbo no first person ya won sa ebidi kan aka na abusia se ebeka ya from the beginning of last week na ebeto odwa say prophet Badu Kobi ya woda Glorious Wave Chapel ano Elton na sorry dan eni emoja pade nyina esan ekebi ya ababeto prophet Badu Kobi so afei emwa bi a nanka wo se NDC aban ba abanwa so no wo de boa prophet Badu Kobi esan emwa ono so eye ede boa party no abra na wo mo opposition wo tini boa party na ma party no eba power no mo ba power no wo mo ayi wo mani ede ama prophet Badu Kobi eno nam so ena ma hochiri ababeto papa ya sabrede wo ton na sorry dan eni emoja pade na busia news no eba ye no na dodo na ensem no eye mo fi say prophet Badu Kobi edi no Ghana ha ne nim se papa de anka ebasa ye checkers de o ene what or the cars ye de wo checkers pa ye ono akra ebe kire mu cars wa checkers be more than 100 entina Ghana fo bisa say isi de no bia wetimi checkers be 100 na ene de abeto dwa se wo ton na asori dan na busia ensem itwagu nyina no na prophet Badu Kobi embeka ahwe nti na ma aye Ghana fo adwene mu tanta na ebia je de fi say nipa obe breaking news no wo say we are singer e wo prophet Badu Kobi na sorry dem obey life a e bright gold any be breaking news na ene no wo ye TikTok live e chim e de ebro kra prophet Badu Kobi so sorry dan no e de beto so nyina mu na papa ayekum na busia ena me no e kase prophet Badu Kobi abekasa na wo kire say wo mu a wo de sa news ne ba ye na mo kire say prophet Badu Kobi e koton na sorry dan ni mo je badeli na wo say wo mo ho I've seen
a lot going on the social media, but I've never reacted to it. Why? Social media did not send me. God sent me. And whatever I'm doing for God, not for social media. My judgment is from above, not from men. So, when God has not told me to respond to a matter, I don't talk. Because it is His word you speak, not your word. They are talking about Glorious Wave, selling, whatever. I'm never reacting. We have heard this. I'm never reacting. And so I have not reacted till date. And so if you see somebody come on social media calling the person or whatever a co-founder, there's no co-founder in Glorious Wave. This I'm saying, it will go everywhere. There's no co-founder in Glorious Wave. Glorious Wave, the vision was given to me. And then if there are people, because every vision must operate on earth, there must be document. So you need somebody to aid you, but the owner is Jesus. So there's no co-founder. I'm not even the founder. I am the leader. Founder cannot die. The one who founded the earth, is he alive or dead? Alive. So founder cannot die. So if you're a founder, you must live. So I am not a founder for anybody to be co-founder. So if you check on the social media and that what is happening that we have not reacted as a church, and anybody says, the person says he's a co-founder, soon we'll let the Lord take his course. I have not reacted. Nobody has reacted. I am not reacting today. All I'm doing is that the time to react will come, but there's some records must be set straight. Since myself and the secretary of the church board has not reacted, nobody must go out there and say, I'm co-founder, so we disassociated. Nobody has said anything. And anybody who says it, the Lord will take his course. So we are presenting it as disclaimer. We have not answered anybody concerning anything on the social media. When the time comes, he will answer. And so yes, some people, they come, Badu Kobi this, Badu Kobi that. I don't care. I've known all of them. And there are some people, we are putting some information down at the right time. We will let the Lord take his course. So listen to me. Bloggers. Nobody has been authorized. Because if you check the statement yesterday on the social media, first is I, later is we. Who are the we? And who is the I? Myself. There's no meeting we have had to say, let's disassociate. Nowhere. So anybody who has written that we, the person must answer. The time of nonsense is over. Most have said somebody has spoken. Now, after the person has spoken, has Badu Kobi spoken? No. Has Gene Wave issued anything? No. So you leave us when we have to talk, we'll talk. Then you hear a statement on the social media, and we are going to deal with matters of status. What is on the status going around? What is on the social media handle? What are they saying? We will deal with it. That we disassociate. We. Who are the we? If you are bold, say I. And surely, within a day or two, the Lord will take his course. So right time, whatever is on the social media they are talking about.
I want to talk about Prophet Badu Kobi selling his church. Is it true? I've worked with him for many years, Mama. God bless you for sharing it. Yeah. So I'm talking about Prophet Badu Kobi. And Okreso Oton now sorry that. Yeah, I'm going to say the truth. What the political party did agree on. Oberton was sorry that. Another mechanism. Yeah, Lord Humble. Yeah, report it. Everybody here, God bless you. I'ma tell that, share it. I brought the thing up. Nobody knows it. It was I who brought it up before the bloggers and are trending. So they don't know the details. I'm bringing all the details today. For all those who are insulting me, they don't know what is going on, and they are insulting me, especially the sons of Prophet Badu Kobi. Now, what does Prophet Badu Kobi tell me? Do you love him more than me? What does it tell me? Put him lawyer. Do you know the lawyer we have been to Prophet Badu Kobi? I've worked with him 23 years old. We are lawyer, tell me. NDC for that Prophet Badu Kobi. Prophet Kobi, I saw that not on the car now. Only if you want to plan, I'm going to bring everything. So when I talk about Prophet Kobi, I know him. I want this thing to go up so that I bring out everything. I see bloggers, OKFM. I brought it up. It was last Saturday. And I didn't be bufu yet. Now me back I can say on turn now Sunday. So I brought the expose. I exposed him. Seven man in top. They are not bloggers at fire. And it is true because me, I've worked with him. But I'm going to tell you the details. The entry of Tom, sorry that baby, Papa Badu Kobi, me no one until me nyasho so much me catch him say, with all humility, you are my father. With all humility, but many Prophet Badu Kobi, we are not fighting because I can't fight with him. He's my father. He's my father. But the only this misunderstanding between me and Prophet Badu Kobi said, all Tom, sorry that I don't need the misunderstanding. I don't say I've never challenged Prophet Badu Kobi before, but for him to say, but for him to say say I'm selling the church auditorium building, the whole building, and not a main one so. It out. And now bloggers, I've seen that even OKFM. I saw OKFM crash almost blogger 360 said all of them were doing it. Bloggers, a lot of bloggers. Okay, bloggers. No, but I brought it up, and I know the truth. And anybody who has followed Prophet Badu Kobi for long, let the person come here and say, I've not worked with the man. Everybody knows I've worked with Prophet Badu Kobi for long. Obi himself some American say a bright in one neck and the yellow crack. Or turn now sorry that I am back. Or turn. I am back. What? Deck 360. They said the blogger's name is Deck 360. The blogger's name, Deck 360, and Kwesi TV, all of them. I brought the secret out, and I'm the same person to reveal everything. That is our problem. And those who are insulting me, you people, you have worked with, when they close church and you go home, you don't know anything. So now I'm speaking, I'm bringing out the truth. You better check, you will see the truth. Say Prophet Badu Kobi, a fan or call you 276 places, ben or call 276. I almost say a constituency. Also, man, me no call Caribbean. I'm saying, no, my bread mean to me. Politicians, 276 constituencies. Hey, near far flight, near Faka, all my. Remember, I say no, I remember, but wait there for me. Me and I'm Johnny. I can't go. Let me pause it. I think my time is up. Okay. I met Prophet Badu Kobi the year around 2004. What's the moment do I mean? I want to give Congo no more say. Not do or no say me boy no be challenge me. Now only Papa Badu Kobi challenge. Do you say me boy no? Be challenge me. Okay. I met Papa Badu Kobi the year 2004. And I'm Shiano. Mishiano say me be some asafono. Mishiano say for my ministry to bless the church because he's a man I found and I love his ministry. Especially he's preaching about the glorious ministry, glorious church. Yeah. And Papa Badu Kobi Radiadum. One thing about me, I thank God for this. Radiadum. Me benya nenim ewe nenim adum. So it was not only church. Me pato mon tie me o. Where are those? Me pato mo TikTok. Mo glorious way for mon. You people comment. Let them know that it's true. But I'm saying this. Obi up on verify. I mean, say people hear screen recording. I don't care. Okay. I met Prophet Badu Kobi 2004. And I mean, nenim adum. So not only church service or prepare massive. So when we close at church, so did you or baby bia a many Prophet Badu Kobi neko. When I met Prophet Badu Kobi 2004 no na yen see asore dan na muhu no bacho na yen see the muhu na aye and then I turn $1.3 million so say $1.5 million no. Muni ma fe de maka price na kire mo o luma pa o meka nche me se me boa na me shia no na me nya nanim adom no oni me ko ba bibia me hu man of God em say me first man of God me ni asofo asompa but first man of God me hu so oni me mpenifo pa ye wura mpenifo fie Prophet Badu Kobi. And then may address it with me person me bobo mpedifo bidin o ma se me nsheda mfa me. You know what I'm talking about? Tell them. Prophet Badu Kobi or the me wura mpedifo fie. Accra. Bi wa yebeka ko didi wo Fiesta Royal. Bi yebeka ko didi wo Golden Tulip. Bi wa yebeka ko didi wo African region. But African region na enta nko. Golden Tulip na yeta ko. E na Fiesta Royal. Once a one ya ko pa ko esim dum we na e wo GBs wo side no. Ni akwa ko didi wo ho. Mene papa Badu Kobi yenam bibia rounds. Na me see papa Badu Kobi no. Na ya sorry Friday bia all night. I want you people to know say I know him. Na they are making no bloggers no de omo ye we na omo mbra meti no kre no. I brought it up so I want to say the whole truth. Nti pato make say minim pato e dey a prophet Badu Kobi nka nyame bebie me na me hu say why bibie mfiri nyame o mfiri nyame eno de nka me shy me chidi. But I no point I will not come and announce it here. They are making no major mean free bio. It's a no. But the real free say true election in Sembi, what I'm about to say, true election in Sembinti. I saw that no tone meaning, not the real free no. Papa will go, who real from me back. But me person me build them a case about so that people will know say I'm not obi a blogger and I say akwa me na me prophet Badu Kobi personal singer before Tabitha Kum came, before Ohima Mercy came, before Abana Ponsa came, before the Stella Duga nyina but stars nyina but they came to meet me. Issue to prophet Badu Kobi, everybody is gone and I'm still with him. Nti me ya akorobeto. So me ka monto mo bona menka. Prophet Badu Kobi is the first person to dash me a car. Or my Honda Accord V6 engineer 3.5 as at that time Accra baby I'm or Doko Dakuma no BNB guy been no will be or down suman need you put exhaust near one media near double a one door. Prophet Kobi has dashed cars to Tabitha Kum or Hima Mercy Yao Sapon keyboard is square way Yao Sapon the keyboard is simple. Watch out the card. You did. Prophet Badu Kobi has given out Honda Accord has given out 379 cars. Listen to me. Papa ye wa sorry kama. Ubi biye koso kama. Enya denya obi biara he. Whether it's Archbishop or Presbishop or Obia or political party or what. I am talking about the downfall of me papa. Maybe Obeka say any downfall is a triumph, it's a temptation. And you be of him, Matthias here. But me dear neba me feel say what brought him down is when he openly affiliated himself to the NDC party. Papa me kind of crash oh. Dear man, sorry about down. And everything, people will not say this truth. It's when Prophet Badu Kobi, he was prophesying for NDC because he used to prophesy for MPP, Papa Kufuor or maybe president. He prophesied, but this time, dear, when it happened to President Mahammad, he prophesied, not only prophesied, but passionately and openly in himself affiliated, declared, openly declared, also say, only NDC in the and no start say yeah, sorry, no start say about down. Good to you. But the moment you openly declared for NDC, some microphone NDC now sacrificing man.
Ezabusia we ene papa nchire mu a wode eba ene due e wona asori de mu na nokwasam ne se wo man Ghana ya yetimi se wasam beto social media no so a ene abusia bebia asam ne kono wo yiwa no sen kra nyeye ensam ne ba beto social media no so no eno na Ghana fo efa no mu de adwuma enti we eye nchire mu a prophet Badu Kobi de aba se asori dan ne de ebrepam no ono akasa baba kasa de na wo mu so eye sa na de wo mu de mo kokot eno Ghana fo bi trese o asam no papa ka ne de na so ne beto social media no eno na Ghana for efa edeye adwumenta busua ye wa atwe mu aye hwe se ebrepam no se ne papa aka no wobeba na waba bechire mi ade kode pote ya ekoso a entinsem se etimi beto social media no so mese se ubeja adwenche e wo comment section ho e de amame all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like no share ama fofo nso enyi bi ahwe makra